Have you heard about lion's mane mushrooms and their potential to support your brain health? Lion's mane, Hericium erinaceus, is a medicinal mushroom that's been used traditionally in Eastern medicine for centuries, and modern science is starting to catch up. NatureCan UK research suggests that compounds in lion's mane can stimulate the production of nerve growth factors which are crucial for neuron maintenance, repair, and communication. These bioactives, especially hericanones and erinacines, may help support memory, focus, mental clarity, and overall cognitive resilience. NatureCan UK. Several clinical trials have shown promising results. For example, some studies report improvements in cognitive test scores in adults with mild cognitive impairment and trends toward enhanced mental performance in healthy participants. While the evidence is still emerging and larger clinical trials are needed, early findings are encouraging. Super Shroom plus 1. So what makes Naked O2 lion's mane different? Organic and double extracted. Naked O2 uses double extraction to pull out both water-soluble and alcohol-soluble compounds. This helps release a broader range of the mushroom's active components, making them more bioavailable and potent than basic powders or single extract products. 100% organic fruiting body. We use only the fruiting body, the part richest in beneficial compounds like hericinones, ensuring you get the real, natural benefits you're looking for. Natural cognitive support. With consistent use, many people find lion's mane helps them stay sharp, focused, and mentally clear. A natural way to support cognitive health as part of your daily wellness routine. If you're curious about a natural, organic approach to everyday brain support, our Naked O2 lion's mane is available via our Etsy shop, the Smarts Shop UK,